We're back, and this is another unboxing. As you can see, this is the Royal Blaque hair trimmer. Now, this is a special trimmer for me because this trimmer is sold by my sister, which is Davita the Clipper Cut Queen down in the Atlanta, Georgia area. So, if you're familiar with Davita the Clipper Cut Queen or her product, which is Royal Blaque, you will know that she has her own product line that she distributes with wholesalers as well as retailers. It's a very professional product. I use it on my clients. I use it on myself. I will have a link in the description that will link you to her so you'll be able to order products. What her most known product, which a lot of barbers are familiar with, is this product here, which is the Royal Blaque Natural Black Enhancing Temporary Enhancement product. Now, I've seen a lot of copycats out there. A lot of people are trying to do enhancement products similar to this. What I will tell you is she is the originator of it. So all these other products that say, oh, we do this, we do that, they're not the originator. She's actually the originator of the product. So what I like about this product is you can use this on African American hair. You can use this on any hair texture, any hair type. It's a temporary color. It's an enhancer. It can be ran through a airbrush gun, so it's thin enough where you can run it through an airbrush gun. It lasts the whole day. It can be used on eyebrows. It can be used on hairlines. It can be used in the hair. It can be used in mustaches and beards. And it blends with your natural hair color. So unlike Beijing, which is super black, this actually naturally blends to your hair color and hair texture. So if you are, have sandy brown hair, you can use this. If you have lighter or medium brown hair, you can use this. If you have dark brown hair, which is what most African Americans have, most African Americans' hair is not black. It's very dark brown. You can use this product. Even if you have gray in your hair, you can use this product. And if you're not, African American, if you're Hispanic, if you're Asian and you have jet black hair or true black or a 1N, for those who you are familiar with those terms, you can use this product on your hair to get a crispy line or to just enhance thinning spots or just to make the overall cut look well. So, again, I will have a link in the description on where you can purchase the products. If you're a beauty supply store, if you're a salon who wants to sell this product, or you just want to use it, she will be able to give you a good price as far as if you are selling the product or if you're using the product. So you can order in bulk. But we're going to do this trimmer. So this is unboxing. It's a nice quality box. It's not a flimsy box at all. And this is the trimmer's instructions. This is the trimmer, which some of you may have seen similar trimmers like this on sites like Amazon or Temu or things of that nature. And when you remove this insert here, you get your charging cable, which is, as you can see, is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A charging cable. So you can actually charge this on the side of your laptop. You can plug into a USB, charging wall charger. And it's interchangeable with USB Type-C charging ports. As you can see at the bottom of the trimmer, that's where the power button is and where the charging port is. It also comes with various guards, 3 of which for different lengths, and it has a small cleaning brush. What I also like about this, which some trimmers don't come with but should come with, it comes with a blade protector. This is a big thing for me. I travel. I put my clippers in a case, and one of the things that can mess up your clippers is not having this on your blades to protect your blades. So if this bumps into anything else that's hard or metal, you can mess up your cutting blades by not protecting them. So we're going to remove that right now. And 2 things stand out to me about her trimmer. One, you can zero gap it. As you can see, it has 2 Phillips heads on it. And by looking at the bottom of it, I can clearly see that it is capable to being zero gapped. There are trimmers out there that look very much like this, but the way they're designed or manufactured does not allow for it to be zero gapped. This one can. So even though it may look similar, just because it looks similar does not mean it's the same. Different manufacturers may put it together, but they may cut corners. It's got a good weight to it for a small trimmer. That's what it looks like when it's powered on. And it's got a good motor. It's got a strong motor. Now, what do I use this for? And what do I recommend that this particular trimmer is used for? This trimmer is a good trimmer for personal use. It's also, as far as professionals, is good if you have an older client, or you have female clients who want a soft line, or you have children. If you have children or senior clients, if you're a barber or a cosmetologist, you are aware that seniors and small children's skin are more sensitive and they're thinner. So using a higher torque trimmer, or a trimmer that actually, has a zero gapped blade, could do damage to thinner skin. It can leave marks, it can leave welts, it can cut into the skin. Plus, if you're using a trimmer that has a really, really obnoxiously loud motor, Oster's comes to mind. It scares small children, especially if they're not familiar with getting their hair cut. If they're a first-time client or they're very small, the louder the motor sometimes will scare small children. This is powerful, but it's also quiet. So it's good for not scaring your small children clients. Or if you have a client who has issues as far as, sound related issues. There are certain mental health, conditions where certain sounds trigger certain reactions. This trimmer is really good for those clients. This trimmer is not zero gapped. However, out the box, it will give you a good cut. And also, if you look at this blade, and it is actually a quality blade, this blade is interchangeable to that of, I believe, a Wall TY. So if you have a Wall TY, or maybe the Babyliss graphite blade, you can interchange it if you want a thinner or blade for your trimmer. Now, the other thing that I can use this for, and I suggest you can also use it for, is if you're starting off a hairline and you're trying to do a bald fade or a low taper, you can start off your lineup with this and it will blend out very, very easily. So you can start off your cut around the occipital bone or around various parts, depending on what the high or low of your cut is, and you can blend it out very well and you're still going to get a good clean cut. Now, when zeroed out, this will hit just like any other high quality trimmer. It'll hit like the detail, or it'll hit like some of your other trimmers that's out there. So for those of you who are interested in this or have seen something like this, what I would suggest is get in contact with the Clipper Cut Queen and purchase this. You won't go wrong. And even if you just use it as your personal trimmer to trim up your own and to do some mid-cut maintenance between cuts, it's good for that. It's quality trimmer. It's all metal body. It's not plastic, and it will get you where you need to go. All right. We got one more video for you. Let's go.